Before I begin, I must advise that this is purely for entertainment purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. Speak with a professional, and as always, conduct your own due diligence when trading. Bit of a lackluster week. I held EBS long enough for it to turn profitable after it broke the $10 mark. I was able to gain a $34.85 profit. Looking at EBS now, which is currently at $11.56, I am low-key kicking myself for not holding longer. I know I'm missing out on a potential 100 to 150 gain had I held throughout the week, but in another lifetime, EBS went south, and I am most likely bag holding. This is the consequence of my trading plan, and I can't beat myself up too much. This reinforces my strategy of using seeking alpha recommended stocks to buy, hold, or buy, and then write cash-covered calls with. Of which I purchased 100 shares of Lexin Fintech Holdings, $6.56 for 100 shares on the 21st, and then sold at $6.76 on the 22nd for $20.48 profit. I then moved on to 100 shares of International Consolidation Airlines Group, ticker ICAGY, at $8.19. As of now, ICAGY is currently down a few cents, but even Robinhood recommends a buy, so I will hold until it goes back up. Playing with my Perplexity.ai, buy high volume, low float, stock strategy, I purchased 100 shares of ISPC iSpecimen Incorporated stock at $2.53 per share. After it dipped, I purchased another 100 shares at the $2.29 price in order to dollar cost average, as I did with EBS. Throughout the week, it dipped even lower, so I purchased another 100 shares at the $2.14 to continue to dollar cost average, and then once more at $2.08 per share for another 100 shares. Similar to EBS, I will continue to purchase more shares so that a quick 50 cents to $1 move could get me out relatively quickly. I wish I had done this my first time trading. I would probably have recouped a lot of lost money. Oh well. ISPC is not the situation I want to be in, but I only need ISPC to move up maybe 15 cents to 20 cents, and I will be able to bail and break even, so I will keep buying down until that happens. I deposited $1,000 last week, and will have another $2,000 on the way, so I can spare the buying power for now. I want to tweak my Perplexity.ai strategy a bit more, as in order for this current one to work, I need to be able to move quickly the moment the market opens, and that's just not the case while deployed. Thus, I think next week I'll toy with the following parameters. Low float, volume increase of 30% instead of 60% at opening, so I can still catch whatever wave may be left before people start taking profit. Once I deposit another $1,000, I will most likely utilize 3 strategies at once. 1. Buy stocks and hold or sell cash-covered calls based on seeking alpha recommendations. 2. Buy and sell quick day trades based on the Perplexity.ai strategy. 3. Longer-term, super conservative credit spreads, in which the win probability is 80% or higher. I'm weary of utilizing strategy number 3 though, as I am strongly considering getting out of margin trading, so I don't get flagged as a pattern day trader. I feel like credit spreads require the ability to get in and out quickly, so we'll see. I am not immediately eyeing any moves for next week, as I need to get out of the ISPC play, and that may require more dollar cost averaging. Regarding the ICAGY stock, I will be waiting for a 10% minimum profit before I bail on that too. We will see how this plays out.